Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you do not want to miss a single lecture of this series. Today we will talk about the basic properties of microscope. So we will proceed with the very basic two properties of microscope that each type of microscope possesses regardless of its complexity. Number one is the magnification. Magnification is the process of enlarging the apparent size, not physical size of something. That means a microscope can enlarge the virtual size of your sample so that we can easily observe it, which is otherwise not visible to our naked eye. But the physical size of the sample remains constant. In this picture, we can see the magnified image of a bacteria. Number two is resolution. Resolution is nothing but a clarity. Scientifically, it is shortest distance between 2 points on a specimen that can be distinguished as separate entities. Now, if you look at this picture, you can see it is very clear, whereas this is blurred. If I simplify this image, I can say that in the first case, 2 points are not distinguished separately. Hence, we are getting the blurred image. But in the second case, 2 points are distinguished separately. Hence, in this case, we are getting the clear image. Now, we will explain these properties in more detail. Now, we know higher the resolution, clear the image. Now, resolution depends on numerical aperture. Because resolution R is equal to lambda divided by 2Na, where lambda is the wavelength of light. Na is numerical aperture. So from this formula, we can say larger the Na, better the resolution and clear the image. Now what is Na? Na is measure of diffracted light rays captured by the objective lens. If you want to know what is diffraction, please visit my video regarding this. I have put the link in the description box. Here you can see this is the sample. Light hits the sample and is diffracted by it, and it is captured by the objective lens. This is the objective lens. So, Na is the measure of the captured light. Now, Na is equal to N sin mu, where N is the refractive index of the medium between the objective lens and the object. Mu is the half angle of light acceptance. So this is the full angle and mu is half. Okay. Now in this picture, you can find that mu is increasing from here to here. So from here to here, mu is increasing. So this is, you are pressing the objective lens downward. So from here to here, you are pressing the objective lens downward and mu is increasing. Now, from this formula, we can say larger the N, larger will be the Na, better resolution, and it will give you clear image. And larger the mu, larger will be the Na, resolution will be better, and you will get clear image. Now what is refractive index? It is ratio of the velocity of light in a vacuum to its velocity in a medium. Oil has large refractive index. If you want to know more about oil immersion, keep on watching my upcoming videos. Oil immersion video is on its way. N is equal to C by V. In one sentence, we can summarize the stuff. It is higher the refractive index, clarity of image is more. So that's all about the basic properties of a microscope. Hope you understood the concept. If you liked my lesson, please do like, comment and share my video. Thank you.